So you can utilize Kimi for web development help. So what you can do is you can paste a bunch of code and then ask to refine it and so forth. One of the things you can do is, let's say, for example, I'm going to say make a home page for my online shopping website using Bootstrap. So you can tell it to use frameworks such as these as well. And then what happens is that it'll simply give you the code for it. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So it is starting to write the code right here, just like this, and you need to wait for a while. So I did tell it to actually make a home page, so it'll go ahead and then add in a bunch of details for it. And this is what it came up with, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around onto preview, then you can see that this is the page that it came up with right here. So you want to make a few changes right here. Let's say, for example, in categories, add 6 sections instead of 3, and make the overall theme blue in color right here, just like this. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, then it'll go ahead and give me an updated HTML code, as you can see right here. So let's wait for a while for it to finish generating. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So let's just go ahead and preview. Then you got 6 sections, as you can see. In categories, you got the blue theme and so forth right here. So you want this white, let's say, for example, you can go ahead and tell it to change it and so forth. And this is how you can utilize Kimi for web development help as well as needed. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.